Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change your favicon here in Clickfunnels. Okay, so first up, go ahead and go to the left panel and go to your workspace settings. Okay, just click on it. Now go ahead and go to My Assets. Okay, click. Now in here, just go ahead and upload any icon or images that you want. Just click on Select Image. Just go ahead and select the image that you'd like to be as your favicon. For example, this logo right here. Just hit on Open, and then you're going to want to go ahead and click on Image Name. Go ahead and give it a name. For example, favicon, like so. And then just go ahead and click on Create Image. All right. Wait for it to load, and there you have it. Now, once that's done, go back to your dashboard. In here, go to your funnels, and then go ahead and look for the funnel that you wanted to have a favicon. Click on Edit or the gear icon. Now, in here we have the favicon section. Click on Select Image, select the image that you just uploaded, and hit on Update Funnel. All right, wait for it to load. And once it lands, you can now go ahead and test it out. Just click on Open, or just click on the funnel and hit on Open. And then you can go ahead and view some pages right here or steps. Click on three dots and then just click on Preview. Okay, like so. As you can see, that's how you change your favicon right here under Clickfunnels. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.